Hi there, curious explorers! Welcome back to Why Does, the channel where we answer your big, fun questions about the world around us. Today, we're going to talk about electricity and how it works. You know what electricity is, right? It's the energy that powers all the cool toys you play with and the lights that keep you safe at night. But have you ever wondered how it works? Well, let's find out together. Imagine you have a bucket of water. When you turn on the tap, the water flows out of the bucket and into a glass. This is kind of like how electricity works, except instead of water, it's tiny particles called electrons that flow. And instead of a bucket and a glass, it's wires that carry the electrons. The electrons flow from a place where there are a lot of them, like a battery, to a place where there are less of them, like a light bulb. And when the electrons get to the light bulb, they make it light up. That's how electricity powers your toys and lights. Now, I know that was a lot to take in, but I promise it's really simple once you understand it. To help you understand it even better, here's a fun example you can try at home. Get a lemon and a copper wire, and stick the wire into one end of the lemon. Then stick another wire into the other end of the lemon. If you connect the wires to a light, like an LED, the light will light up. This happens because the lemon is a conductor of electricity, which means it helps the electrons flow. And that's how electricity works. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And that's it for today's big question, friends. Wasn't that fun to learn? Science is everywhere, even in the sounds we hear, the colors we see, and the things we play with. If you're curious like us and want to explore more amazing questions, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep asking why, keep exploring, and remember, science is everywhere, just waiting for you to discover it. Bye-bye for now.